we've bought the property, we've done a renovation. How can we reliably refinance that property to extract equity? Because it's a game that we have to play with the banks. I myself, I bought a property many years ago. It must be 15 years ago, 14 years ago now, up in the Maitland area. Okay, I got it for $206,000. I did a $12,000 reno on it on my credit card. Right, I wouldn't recommend doing that, but that's what I did. I went back to the banks, and very soon after, obviously, I was pretty keen to get my equity back out because I'd put all this bloody money on the credit card. I was very keen to get the equity back out again, and then went to the bank that had done the loan. It was NAB at the time. Went back to them and said, look, I'd love to refinance. And the valuation came in, I can't remember the exact number with the valuation, but it was very disappointing. Okay, it was just not acceptable. I said, don't worry, NAB, thank you, but no thanks. And within a matter of months, I went and took the business over to Suncorp. They had some great deals at the time. They were wanting the business, and that is the key. Banks, they get an allocation of capital. The smaller banks particularly, and this is how, they have an allocation of capital. They're borrowing funds out, and they go through periods where they're wanting to increase their loan book, and then they're looking for periods of decreasing their exposure. Okay, so you've got to find that balance. So we went out to another lender, Suncorp, who were really looking for business. They had a very compelling offer, and their appraisal came in at $260,000. It was in line, if not slightly above what I was expecting with the revalue. They revalued another property. I got another property refinanced. We actually got 3 refinanced with at the time because of the rate they were on. 2 of them, that property was, if not slightly above. There was a property that was at, and then there was one that came back that was just well and truly above what I even thought the property was worth. They really wanted this business. All right, so it is always an option to, throw the loan out and get a whole new fresh pair of eyes. But I might explain that whole concept. So how can we reliably refinance and access the equity in our properties as soon after purchase as possible, especially when we have done a great job buying under market value and also renovating to add value? Now, it's all about breaking the chain or the connection to the original sale. So you think about how a valuer works. Valuers will look at comparable properties that have sold to justify the value of your property. They are looking for what a fair and reasonable person would pay for that property. And the contract associated with the sale of that dwelling is usually the most compelling evidence to support its value. But as time goes on, we have the contract here, and as time goes on, other sales are occurring, and because of the chain, the causality link, the chain of connection, there is a very strong connection back to your original contract price. We have to break that chain. And the way that we do that is by time going on, and then a valuer cannot use this contract as justification, but it usually is 12 months or more before that chain is broken through time, okay? Or we fundamentally change the property through renovation, okay? And then therefore the chain can be as short as a few months or 6 months in many cases, sometimes up to 12 again, but we're breaking that chain through time or value add. And the way that it works over time is other properties are selling. They may be a very direct sale. It might be next door and it's sold 3 weeks ago, 12 months down the track. Suddenly that is the most relevant comparable and not your contract price. So the chain is only broken over the passage of time when there are other properties selling that are similar. If there's no sales that are occurring, it's not broken. How can we force the hand? So there's a lot of strategies that we need to employ here, and a lazy broker usually makes this all come undone. A bad broker, someone who doesn't manage the bank process intimately, doesn't get this across and doesn't get this working. So we've got to pitch our case. We've got to prepare comparable analysis. We've got to obviously document the renovation and make sure they don't just do a desktop or a drive-by reno. We need to get a full renovation, a full valuation where they go inside the property and they see now the quality of the reno, the standard that's been done. They don't want to see it done by a DIY with marks and chips in the tiles and wonky tiles and things like that. It has to be A grade. And then you want to appeal to the hopes and dreams of that valuer. You want them to look at this property and go, hang on, this is amazing. This is very similar to this property I just valued around the corner yesterday. I can now relate that as a comparable and not this other dodgy investment that hasn't been renovated down here. We want them to really uplift the comparables that they are using with this property. So we have to control that valuation process intimately. We have to have a property manager, who is fully on board, who is there ready to let the property manager in with our proposed renovation or even comparables, and do it in a way that is not patronising and turns a valuer off. We have to be intimately controlling the valuation process through your broker and making sure that the valuer used is a different one to the one that was used 2 or 3 months ago. Okay, so we really have to control that process. And then sometimes, we can't, work with that process. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes the valuer tells us no thanks, but no thanks. Sometimes it just doesn't fall in our favour. And if that is the case, then our last resort is yanking it from the lender and going and looking for finance elsewhere. Shopping around who has the best finance, and then who wants our deal, and who is going to be bullish then on the new loan. Remember, they want your business. Generally, refinances are conservative because they've already got your business. But new loans, new finance attached to loans, they want your business, they are generally more bullish in nature. We don't want it to be more than it's worth, but we want it to be reasonable. So that is the strategy. Hopefully that answers your question. Let me know if it doesn't. It does need to be intimately managed between your property manager, your broker. They need to have been around this process a little bit, and then even getting, we're happy to put together comparables and work things out and feed that back into you, because this process, it's very important. If we bang our head against the wall, we cannot get this bank to budge. It's very hard to get a valuer to change their mind. It's extremely difficult to get a valuer to change their mind after they've done a valuation. We might have to order another one. If the broker doesn't come to the party, very difficult. We just have to wait. We have to wait another 3 months, another 6 months, and then try again. And I know we've been through that process with your property, John, when we've hit against a brick wall with the current lender. Look, we have worked with clients' brokers that were unknown to us, obviously, before we worked with that client. We worked with that bloke, like a loans.com type broker, a tick and flick generic online type brokerage. And then when it was time to do a refi, we went back and, it was way above their pay grade. Okay, this was like all new to them, right? So you get what you pay for sometimes. And this is my opinion, obviously, in my statements around this, but it is a very dynamic and sophisticated broker to get the best results, all right? It's a very intimate process that we need to closely manage. We need to have that smiley face opening the valuer up with a property manager pointing out all of the features of the property, and a property manager who is wedded to this process, a very good property manager that is well briefed. So we are trying to control the variables here.